guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 6 in isolation, obviously because the whole of the UK is in lockdown, and I have been making some videos on my Instagram, which is Steph Barron X, and yeah, I've been showing the sort of looks that I've been doing in my daily isolation. So my hair is a bit minging and it definitely needs to be washed, but I really can't be arsed, so I wanted to do a different sort of look today. I mean, I probably could wear it down, but I do want to do a sort of low sleek ponytail just for another little quarantine isolation look. So the things that you will need for this video: you will need a hairbrush, I always like the wet brush. You will need a hair bobble. I have also got this other little hair bobble that has got a metal sort of clip round it, which is basically what I'm going to put on my ponytail. And you need one of these like little eyebrow spoolies just for sleeking down the front. You can also use a gel spray. The gel spray that I'm going to be using, well, it's a wax spray, is the Redken wax spray. So let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my hair into a middle parting. I'm going to take my wax spray and just spray the top part of my hair, and then I'm going to go in and brush again. Now to get these little pieces at the front, I am going to spray the front section, and I'm going to use my little eyebrow spoolie to sleek down the front. I mean, my roots are absolutely outrageous, so please, yeah, don't judge them. I'm just going to sleek the rest of it into a ponytail. And I'm going to use my first hair bubble. And really this could be the final look if you wanted to just have it like this. But I am going to add this little one in. So this goes on again, just like a normal hair bubble. And this clips around. So this is my final look. I hope you have enjoyed this quick little isolation hair tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel.